All right, we're back in the Willys wagon. We're going to do a cold start and just a short drive, show you the drivability. She's been sitting here under the carport the last 2 days, and it's been cold. It's mid-20s. Right now it's about 39 outside. And the hood temperature, let's just see, it really is a cold start. Yeah, she's sitting there, and radiator, around 40. So it's definitely cold. We'll get inside here. So I'm sure anybody that's watching this video is familiar how to start carbureted cars. But on this one, it's very happy with just one push to the floor. Go ahead and crank it. She'll start right up. She'll idle around 12, 1300. I'll let it go for about 10 seconds. And then basically just touch the pedal and she'll slow down. A lot of people like to keep revving it, but she'll slow down on her own because it is an automatic choke on this Edelbrock carburetor. So I'm going to hand back now and just show you how drivable it is. Of course, the automatic choke will bring down the idle on its own. Set up for some additional longer drive videos.